here I have Motorola Defy, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to hold down power key and turn off your Motorola, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down for a couple of seconds, and after that you will enter boot mode. So here at the boot mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as start, restart bootloader, recovery mode, power off, bootloader locks, barcodes, and that's it. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option start and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.